Queue up. To form or join a line or wait in a line. Please queue up and wait for your turn. They queued up to buy the latest phone. Crack up. To laugh a lot. The joke was so funny, I cracked up. His laugh was so funny, it made me crack up too. Pile up. To increase in amount or quantity. Don't pile up the books on the table, it looks messy. The dirty dishes piled up in the sink. Split up. To end a romantic relationship or partnership. My parents split up when I was a child. After they broke up, she focused on her career. Grow up. To become older and more mature. I want to be a doctor when I grow up. She grew up in a small town. Rip up. Tear up. To tear something into pieces. She tore up the letter in anger. I accidentally ripped up my favorite photo. Show up. To arrive or appear at a place. I will show up at the party around 7 p.m. I was surprised when he didn't show up. Brush off. To ignore, dismiss, or reject someone or something. I tried to apologize, but he brushed me off. Don't brush off your teacher's advice, it's important. Name after. To give someone the same name as another. My parents named me after my grandfather. The school is named after a famous scientist. Fall apart. To break into pieces or fail and become emotionally upset. Without proper care, the house will fall apart. My phone case is falling apart. I need a new one. Their relationship fell apart after the argument.